Good morning, students. Now we shall discuss about how scientific investigation were undertaken in Middle Age. Previously, I told you that the religion domination influence in the Islamic countries in India, people were forced to believe in religious orthodox superstition. There was no place for studying the humanism. This is why science could not progress in Middle Age. After 13th century, gradually some scholars learned Greek and Latin texts, and Arab philosophers studied and translated the work of Chinese scientists and Indian mathematician. They adopted decimal system from India and adopted gunpowder, block printing and magnetics from China. They also intellectuals built upon the work of Chinese and Indian astronomers in calculation the motion of planets, stars and other heavenly bodies. In this way, Arab scientists reached Indian and Chinese science to Europe. Then people there began studying scientific literature from Greece as well as the work of Arab science. At the time, they are looking for a sea route to India and China. There was only method to navigate their way across the ocean was by tracking the position of stars and planets and the use of magnetic compass to chart their path. Similarly, cannon were used widely in wars. The estimate of trajectory included factors like the weight of the cannonball, we can say तोप के गोले, and the bore diameter of the cannon. All this involved scientific study. There were some scientists in Europe during the Middle Age in 13th century. There was Roger Bacon, proved born 1220, died 1292 CE, who the way for experiment based investigation of scientist principles. At the time, the most prominent among them was the Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, born 1473, died 1543 CE. He said that the sun, not the earth, is he said that the sun, not the earth, that is at the center of the universe, and that all planets, including earth, revolved around it. Some well-known scientists of a modern era were Tycho Brahe, born 1546, died 1601 CE. Johannes Kepler, born 1571, died 1630 CE. Italian scientific Galileo Galilei, born 1564, died 1642 CE. They all deeply studied about astronomy. On the basis of all observation, he concluded that Copernicus' heliocentric theory was correct. He published his findings in a book. The church was not happy with the sun replacing the earth at the center of the universe. It banned Galileo book and put pressure on him to retract his observation. The English scientist Isaac Newton, ISAAC Newton, born 1642, died 1727 CE, proposed his famous theory of gravity and the motion of astronomical bodies on the basis of the discoveries of Kepler and Galileo. The Portuguese navigator, one who worked out the route of ships on the sea, Vasco da Gama, born 1460, died 1524 CE, sailed around Africa to reach Calicut in the coastal Indian state of Kerala in 1498. Before him, the Italian navigator Christopher Columbus, born 1451, died 1506 CE, set out westward to India, reaching a group of islands off the coast of a new continent. The continent was named America after him. The Portuguese navigator Ferdinand Magellan, born 1480, died 1521 CE, decided to sail his ship around the entire world to prove the earth was round. But he could not complete his journey because he was dying alone the way, but his crew completed the journey. Students, इस तरह हमने देखा मिडिल एज से मॉडर्न एज में आते आते सारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारी डेवलपमेंट हुए। एक बार मैं शॉर्ट में रिवीजन करा देता हूँ। सबसे पहली बात, मिडिल एज में रिलीजियस डोमिनेशन या तथा मॉडर्न एज या हम कह सकते हैं कि रीनाइंसेस पीरियड में ह्यूमैनिटी पर जोर दिया गया। मॉडर्न एज में ट्रेड और अर्बनाइजेशन मतलब शहरों का विकास हुआ, क्योंकि व्यापार में वृद्धि हुई, बहुत सारे किंगडम्स एस्टैब्लिश हुए। व्यापार बढ़ने के कारण मिडिल क्लास की उत्पत्ति हुई, नए नए जॉब्स डेवलप हुए, मर्चेंट, आर्टिशंस, अकाउंटेंट्स, क्लर्क्स, लॉयर्स, पोएट्स, राइटर, टैक्स कलेक्टर, ये सब मिडिल क्लास में जाने लगे। इनके डेवलपमेंट में एजुकेशन का मुख्य रोल रहा। रीनाइंसेस के समय में लैटिन और ग्रीक क्लासिक्स पर बहुत फोकस किया गया, ह्यूमैनिटी पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया गया। इस समय बड़े बड़े फिलोसफर्स हुए जो मैंने पहले बता दिया है, मेरे वीडियो ध्यान से देखो। डोम्स और आर्चिस टेक्नोलॉजी को अपनाकर मंदिरों मस्जिदों का निर्माण हुआ। कहा जाए तो मॉडर्न इरा 1300 CE से हुआ। 1800 CE तक बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंट हुए। साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी भी रीनाइंसेस एज में डेवलप हुए। कई साइंटिस्ट, स्कॉलर्स, नेविगेटर्स, आर्किटेक्चर डेवलप हुए। So, my dear students, in this way we have completed our first topic. We completed the first topic, history, the dawn of modern culture. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.